And guys, there's one more thing. I actually bought this Apple Watch Series 8, the newest one, the aluminum black midnight with the sport band, with the black sport band for my mother. She really needed the Apple Watch for her health, and we will unbox it here right now in Hong Kong in Apple Store. I'm on the second floor here in the unboxing area. It's a 45mm one. She just needs a bigger screen so it's easier to see. And if you saw any other unboxings for the Apple Watches, you know that the inside is really beautiful with all the designs, with the bands. So this is the watch, and the other box is the black band. So let's start with the watch. Just pull the same paper off from both sides. And here you have the Apple Watch. It has the paper around. Let me just take it out. So it's beautiful, classic black. They call it midnight, I guess. The regular Apple Watch, no stainless steel, nothing like that. But when you turn around it, you can see that it has Series 8 on it, 45mm aluminum, ceramic case. So that's the watch. Then you have the paper inside and the charging cable, and once again, no charging adapter here. So here you can see the cord. It's USB Type-C, and it has the aluminum material, metallic, magnetic charger. The usual stuff that Apple Watches have. So now let's check the band. Once again, pull tab, and you can open up here from this side, pull it out, and you are greeted with the paper Apple Watch and all the instructions how to add the band to the Apple Watch. And here you can see the smaller size part, the medium large. It's a small medium, medium large, and the main part. So we just take them out. So you just put this band part like that. So that's how the black midnight sport silicone band looks like. It looks like a little bit grayish compared to the black screen, but the aluminum looks like a little bit purplish. And you can just hold the side button here and power it on, and you're greeted with the Apple logo. And you can remove the straps just by clicking this button here and here. That's how you release the straps off of the watch. So we will pair through the Apple Watch app, and that's how the regular Series 8 aluminum Apple Watch looks like. And this is the purple elderberry silicone case and the new iPhone 14 Pro. So now the Apple Watch is setting up, but meanwhile we can see that we have this iPhone 14 Pro already set up, and you can see the dynamic island, and I love the animations. Everything is fluid and smooth. And so the iPhone 14 Pro is all set up and ready to go. You already have seen how it looks like when you just click timer, set it up and go back up, you can see that it shows you the notification, the same as for music and some other apps. Maybe they will integrate some third-party apps for this dynamic island as well. But meanwhile, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Maybe I will make some comparison videos, some tests with this iPhone. Let me know in the comment section below. What do you want to see and what do you want to know about this iPhone? And once again, greetings from China, Hong Kong. And if you are here in Hong Kong, you know there's no sales tax. Once again, you can buy these Apple devices for much cheaper. And I'm just happy to upgrade to this 14 Pro iPhone. And of course, you can see the always on display. When you lock it, you can see the picture still. And if you go to the always on display section, you can choose whether to show the wallpaper and notifications or not. So if you are going back and just click the lock button, you can see it has just the black screen and only the clock, no more picture. If you go back, click them both again and you lock the phone, you can still see the picture. So they updated this in the latest iOS. That wasn't present when the phone first came out. Just a thing to know that the always on display now can be just dark without the picture.